said, I'm living my best life. She said, I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dream pulling up, I'm like skirt.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today your girl is coming back with the easiest twist out tutorial ever. For those of you that don't know, I am on a natural hair journey and this is one of the techniques I've picked up, so let me show you guys what I've learned. So we're just gonna jump right into this video. I'm gonna start by washing my hair. You want really clean hair. I usually start off, well right now I'm using Mane and Tail shampoo and conditioner. When I shampoo my hair, I like to have a really good lather going. I like to scrub my scalp and then work the product to my ends. I usually shampoo my hair 2 or 3 times, just depending on how dirty it is. Next, I'm gonna grab my Cantu leave-in conditioner and just put a generous amount on my hair and leave it in for a little while as a deep conditioner. I also like to use this time to detangle my hair. So here I am starting at the nape of my head. I try to start from the ends and work my way to the roots. That way I don't have too much breakage, but sometimes I just go straight for the root. By detangling my hair while the conditioner is setting in, it just ensures that the conditioner gets to every single piece of hair and that every piece of hair is getting nourished and moisturized. That's the key. Now, after my hair has been fully coated, I'm just going to place a plastic cap on for about 30 minutes and just let it really work its way in there and deep condition my hair like it should. Now at this point, I'm going to dry my hair with a t-shirt. Okay, save yourself the frizziness and just use a t-shirt to towel dry your hair. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later. Okay, now on to the actual twist out process. I'm going to separate my hair into generous sections. Then I'm going to go in with my black castor oil, coating my ends, just making sure that the oil is penetrating every single piece of hair. Then I'm going to go in again with my leave-in conditioner and I'm just going to apply like a quarter size amount to my fingers and just rake that through my hair, starting at the ends, making my way up to the roots. Then I'm going to go in with some Eco Styling Gel, about the same amount, starting at the ends, working my way to the roots, and that's just going to really define the curl and give it that juicy look. Now combing out my hair just to make sure I got all of the tangles out, and then I'm going to begin to 2-strand twist my hair. Just like so, making sure those frizzy ends are untangled. Then just swirling the end around my finger to form a curl. That way I don't have to worry about loose frizzy ends. And that's basically all it is to it, guys. I'm going to speed up the video as I go through the rest of my head. Take your time, make sure your hair is moisturized. This is super simple. It's all about trial and error at this point, but if you just follow the video step by step, I'm sure you'll get the same results. Also, I'm not sure if I showed in the video, but if your hair, once you get to the top of your hair, if it starts to air dry, just go ahead and re-wet it with the spray bottle, just with water. You never want to like comb out or put product on dry hair. It just really doesn't work out. So yeah, make sure your hair is damp while doing this, guys. Here, I know you guys can see all of the conditioner and product that I have on my hair. So if that's something you're worrying about, do not worry. Whenever your hair air dries, it'll dry clear and it won't look like you have any product on your hair at all. Also, if it works better for you, you could put really small perm rods at the end of your hair, but I already have a lot of shrinkage, so I usually just twist it around my finger. When my hair gets longer, I plan to use the perm rod method, but until then, this is how I like to do it. Now I'm going to go in with this jam and use it as like an edge control for the front of my hair, just to give it that sleek, you know, defined, oiled, moisturized, you know, all the juiciness, that juicy look. I want to give that to the front of my hair because that's the part that's really going to be exposed. I'm going to be using the same method for the front. I'm just going to do the 2-strand twist to my scalp. For me, it just will give me that more defined curl in the front, and that's definitely the look I'm going for. This twist out method is super easy. It takes no time at all. You literally could use your fingers for this whole style. I usually do this every couple nights just to give me that nice twist out look. It's definitely my go-to right now. Okay, Jazzy, come through, ends. Come through with the curl. Okay, my curls are forming, you guys, and I'm so excited about it. Okay guys, so after a couple days of being under my wig, I'm just going to take down this twist out. I think we can make something happen. You know, they look a little old, but we're going to make something happen. I'm just going to coat both of my hands with some castor oil just to prevent the frizziness when I'm taking down my ends. So I start by untwisting my hair in the same direction that it was twisted in, and then I just go into the roots and then work my way down to the ends, breaking it apart piece by piece, trying to prevent as much frizziness as possible. You guys will also see me giving it a little stretch as I'm taking it down, you know, and that prevents as much shrinkage as possible. I hope you guys can see the difference between the 2-strand twist in the front and then in the back. In the front, it's definitely more curly towards the roots, whereas in the back, you know, the roots are a little more free, just so I can have more volume in the back and then more defined curls in the front. For those of you that don't know, I am officially a year and about 3 months natural now, and the growth has really been real, you guys. I'm just so happy that my hair is like really just growing out and just transforming. I'm loving this whole process. If you're also on a natural hair journey like me, comment down below on what stage you're in. You know, are you transitioning? Did you just do the big chop? Are you in the weird, awkward stage? Like, just let me know where you guys are. I'm eager to know. Okay, so now after the initial breaking apart of the twist, I'm going to go in again and then further break those sections up into about 3 or 4 more sections. I really like the color of my hair at this point. It's about 3 different colors: the root color, the honey blonde color, and then the blonde at the ends. But I think I'm about ready to touch up my roots, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, if you think it's time for me to touch up my roots, or should I just let my ends grow out like this. Okay guys, grab your favorite pick The pick is really your best friend after any twist out. I usually just like to start at the roots, pulling the pick outwards in whichever direction I want the curls to go in. Just really giving it volume and a little fluff. This is literally the most important part of the twist out: manipulation. Okay, you can manipulate your curls to do whatever you want. You just got to know how to do it and the right areas to do it in. And so that's why you want to use the pick and just go in with your hands and, you know, manipulate the curls, pull them out, fluff them out, whatever you need to do to give it the desired look. I was actually going for a completely flipped out fro, but I actually like this pin-up better. So, I mean, after the twist out, you'll find the styles that work for you and the ones that don't. But I thought this was super, super cute. Then we're gonna get those baby hairs going. And voila, you guys, we have the easiest twist out tutorial ever. I really hope this style worked for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give your girl a thumbs up, give me a comment below, and make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.